This is the unboxing and assembly of the Oscillating Edge Belt and Spindle Sander, the R4840 from Ridgid. We'll start by removing all the contents from the packaging. Once all the packaging is removed, it is time to attach the sanding belt assembly. Slide the belt assembly down the motor shaft. Align the drive drum spline with the slots in the fan. Place sanding belt assembly into the wear plate opening. Tighten the spindle knob HP12, but make sure you do not over tighten. The knob HP12 turns counterclockwise to tighten. To switch between the sanding belt and spindle sander, start by removing the sanding belt in the opposite order of assembly. The R4840 has various sizes for spindle sanding. Please refer to the user manual for installation. The Ridgid R4840 is perfect for any shop. Visit our website for more details and our whole lineup of tools.